What is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily save Ticketmaster tickets on Apple Wallet. Here's how you can easily save Ticketmaster tickets on your Apple Wallet. Once you're done placing a ticket, an online order confirmation will be sent on your registered email. And from here, you can easily access the web portal just by clicking on the web portal button. You can choose to either open it with Chrome, Google, or Safari. Next is you will be redirected to this page and all you have to do is just log in with your username and password. And from there, you should now be able to see a list of your tickets, and in the right section, you should be able to see Add to Apple Wallet. All you have to do is just click on Add to Apple Wallet and the tickets will be saved on your Apple Wallet. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this video helped you on how you can easily save Ticketmaster tickets on your Apple Wallet. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!